So I actually met a Tesla flipper. So in this video, I'm gonna go over this whole story of how I actually met him, what his thought process is, and I think I might try and copy him as well. So welcome back to the channel and thanks for watching another video, and let's get into it. Thanks for watching another video, guys. If you're new here, my name is Dennis. I have a Tesla Model Y Performance, or I used to have a Tesla Model Y Performance and a Model 3 Performance, and I made videos about all of them, but I just sold both of them. So if you're interested in any of that, I'm definitely going to buy another Tesla. So please hit that subscribe if you're interested in Tesla content, personal finance content, or even crypto mining content, which you just saw. So if you're interested, please hit that subscribe. So a few months ago, I was trying to figure out, should I sell my Tesla Model Y Performance and try and take delivery of another Tesla immediately? So I scoured the Facebook groups and forums to try and find someone that had a Tesla Model Y with a pending reservation or delivery with an older price before Tesla actually raised their prices within the past few months. And specifically for the Tesla Model Y Performance, Tesla has raised the price $2,000 in around that November to December timeframe. So I was looking specifically for someone that placed an order before that and wanted to get rid of their reservation. And through my research, you actually can swap reservations, but the order has to be on an account by itself, and the person has to be willing to just give up their account by changing the email and lose everything else on it. So if you're someone that has multiple Teslas on one account or a buying history, then you might not be able to sell your reservation to someone else. But I found this guy on the Tesla groups that was looking to sell his Tesla reservation, and he had an old price that was $2,000 less for a Model Y Performance. So I reached out to him and asked him some questions. He turned out to be a super nice guy that was willing to give me advice on everything, and actually showed me a screenshot of his back-end order in which he has 4 to 5 Teslas, Model Ys and Model X's on orders, and what he actually does is he buys them, takes delivery of them, drives them for 4,000 to 5,000 miles, and then resells them after. And he makes about $1,000 to $2,000 on each of them, but that's because he actually ordered them before under the old pricing. With the current car market right now, cars are hot, and Teslas at the auction are going for higher prices and higher MSRP than what you can actually take delivery of them, depending on your area. I've noticed in California, these prices are a little bit higher than anywhere else across the country. So there is an opportunity where you could buy a Tesla, drive it for a little bit, and then resell it. The true savings is actually where you'll save on yearly registration, because owning a Tesla in California, you're going to probably pay about $500 to $600 a year in taxes and re-registration to own that car. So if you can sell your Tesla before that, then you won't have to pay that extra fee to California DMV to get out of your car. So that was the whole kind of reason why I sold my Tesla Model Y Performance, on top of just realizing that the market is hot and making profit on that. If you want to see a full video on how much I made on selling my Tesla Model Y Performance a few months ago, check out my channel where you can find my full breakdown on how much I actually made. And it was actually a pretty good deal in my opinion. But since meeting this guy, I've actually gotten inspired. So I went ahead and ordered a Tesla Model Y Performance and a Model X for delivery late 2022, because I think both of those vehicles are super hot. And I think I should be able to buy them, take delivery, drive them for a little bit, and then resell them. And both of those vehicles I actually want. The Model Y is a great daily driver, and the Model X, I've always wanted a Model X just to experience it. So I think buying it, holding it for a little bit, driving and experiencing it, and making some videos about it would be a good idea to take delivery. The last thing is there's tons of dealers and websites that will buy your Tesla pretty painlessly. If you're interested in selling your Tesla, definitely send me a DM on Instagram at @DennisCW. I'll point you in the right direction depending on what area of the country you're in. Love to help. But yeah, this is a quick story on how I actually met a Tesla flipper that just buys and sells Teslas. And he actually has 2 Model Y long ranges in his driveway currently that he's cycling and driving with his family before he sells them before 4,000 to 5,000 miles. This is a pretty interesting story and way you can capitalize on the current market, and you can drive a Tesla for practically free if you time it correctly. So thanks for watching this video. Please hit that like if you enjoyed it, and comment below if you have any questions on buying a Tesla or owning a Tesla. I'd love to hear your thoughts. All right guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.